Look at this. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Isn't this beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. We have so much to be thankful for. Life isn't easy, but sure could be a whole lot worse. Beautiful day. Everything's out in bloom. We're alive. Definitely worth celebrating. You can wake up in the morning and know that you are alive again. Alive again, I guess you're awake again. And you get to live another day. I wish you could feel how cool and fresh it is out here. Yeah. I just love the mornings. Always have. Well, good morning, everyone. Hope you have an awesome day. Hope you have a day that you can talk about to other people and just say, you know what? Life is good. It's hard, but it's good. And that's probably the way it's supposed to be.